Hello everyone. Now I'll be talking about review of related literature. As we know that research journey it can never be undertaken in isolation of the work that has already been done on the problems which are directly or indirectly related to a study proposed by a researcher. Research it takes advantage of all the knowledge which is accumulated in the past which are a result of the constant human endeavor of every researcher. It can be said that review of related literature it is an integral part of the research process and it makes a valuable contribution to almost every operational step. It is a body of the text that aims to review the critical points of current knowledge on a particular topic that one is proposing to study or go forward. It gives a summary and interpretation of research findings reported in the literature. It gives an excellent overview of the work that has been done in the field and about the recent developments that has been done. It characterizes and synthesizes with the goal of providing a new interpretation of all material or trace of intellectual propagation of the field. When we really go for the review of related literature, I would say that the initial stages of the research it helps the researcher to establish the theoretical root of the studies that one is proposing to study, clarify one's ideas regarding the topic, and develop one's research methodology. When we talk of research methodology, all the methods, all the procedures to be followed, all the tools that has to be collected, statistical technique, how to calculate the population and the sample, and what are the varieties that has to be come under the research methodology can be gained. Later in the process, the literature review it serves to enhance and consolidate one's own knowledge base and help one to integrate findings with the existing body of the knowledge. It is a body of the text that enable the scholar to understand the work done in the previous and what still remains to be done further. It develops an insight in the researcher and helps one to delimit the research problem and also gives an idea to convert his tentative research problem to a specific and the most concise one. It almost gives an idea of the approaches to be made. Everything, including the methodology I have mentioned, statistical analysis, tools, and other related issues. It's important for a researcher to have a comprehensive and relevant body of supporting materials to his research work. It is useful or it is required as it provides insight to the theoretical or the conceptual background of the study. It provides the rationale of the framework of the study. It helps the researcher to gather valuable data and ideas that can guide him or her in their own research work. It prepares the reader to better assimilate and understand the concept of the study and gives them a bird's eye view of the quality of the readings the researcher has done in support of the study. It provides foundation of the knowledge on topic, identify areas of prior research to prevent duplication, and also can give credit to other researchers as well. They can identify inconsistencies, gaps in research, conflict in previous studies, open questions left, recommendations, suggestions, identify need for the additional research or justification of the research work that you are proposing to study. It also can identify the relationship of the works in context of its contribution to the topic and to other works. And then finally, we can place your own research within the context of existing literature, making a case for why further study is required in that particular field. I would say that review of related literature is a guideline for every scholar. It has an attribute of a best friend or a close friend, or whatever you say, be a true friend for a researcher, where we can look forward for every problem of the research studies. We can ask, we can rely on, and the review of related literature can understand your problem. And finally, we can gather everything, whatever we require to go forward for research studies from a review of related literature. So it is a very important part for a research study. Without review, it is very difficult to explore the existing requirement in the required field. So review of related literature is it plays a very important and main role in research work. Thank you.